Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download some pictures on your Motorola device. So at the start, I'm going to search the image that I want to download it. So, for example, now just go to the images, but that way of course working on any other image. And if you have your picture and you want to download it, just hold the finger and choose download image. And now the image should appear in the gallery. Just go to the library and you can see there you have our images. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.